एट पॉइंट P, A पे जो माइनस Q है उसके वजह से भी पोटेंशियल एंड प्लस Q जो है उसके वजह से ही पोटेंशियल, दोनों को आप एल्जेब्रिकली ऐड करनी है। फ्रॉम ट्राइंगल ABN, cos theta is R1 minus R2 upon 2A. V is VA plus VB. As you can see in the diagram, A पे minus Q है तो K minus Q by R1, फिर प्लस K plus Q by R2, K Q by R2 minus K Q by R1 में फिर कॉमन ले लिया हमने 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1, K means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and thereafter, और R1 minus R2 के जगह पे ये वाला टर्म cos theta 2a cos theta यहाँ से आ रहा है। That means numerator R1 minus R2 is replaced by 2a cos theta and R1 R2 is approximately same. R1 R2 product could be written as R square as well. V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. 2qa is P, electric dipole moment. So P cos theta upon R square. This is our final relation. इससे axial line पे theta is 0 degree. Potential due to dipole at axial line would be cos theta 1 हो जाएगा. So V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square. And equatorial line पे, very interestingly, can you guess, equatorial line means theta is 90 degree. So therefore cos theta would be 0. Therefore V will be completely 0. इसका मतलब हाँ